So Binondo Boys, we conceptualized it, bringing Binondo to different parts of Manila. It's how we show our creativity. For the concept of Filipino Chinese, one, it's comforting, it's warm, it's also, again, familiar. We didn't bind ourselves in tradition, how we season our food, how we want to present it, what we want to add, even if it's not traditional, as long as it will taste good to us, then we'll be happy to serve it to everyone.
Binondo Boys ang isa sa mga halimbawa ng nauusong micro-dining concepts ngayon. This refers to a highly curated and intimate restaurant that caters to a small number of guests at a time. But don't worry, food explorers! You will always have a seat anytime within the day dahil 24 hours silang bukas.
It's more of having, it's easier to expand. You know, you have small spaces everywhere and then you put up a small team and then a small capital. 24 hours kasi it's more of surprising also that we get the late night crowd. We start a good crowd at 8 p.m. going through 4 to 5 a.m.
Sa kanyang pagbabalik sa Farm to Table, ganadong-ganado na si Vince Maristela na tikman ang mga pagkain binabalik-balikan sa Binondo Boys.
Kung hey Fat Choy mga food explorers at syempre malapit na ang Chinese New Year, 2 days na lang. Ano ba kakainin natin? E di syempre Chinese food! Hello. Chef Marvin, ano ba yung mga inihanda natin dito dahil balita ako, dinudumog to ng mga taga-QC.
Yes, so we'll start with our white chicken noodle soup. We have our braised beef and tendon noodles. And then merong tausi spare rib rice, gindara tofu, we have our dumplings. We have our hakaw and pork and shrimp. And then for dessert, we'll have almond lychee taho.
Itong noodle soup na to, paano ba ito hinanda?
Ito for the noodle soup, syempre ang soup, it's made out of bones, chicken skin. And then we used dito ramen noodles para maiba naman.
Dito ramen noodles.
Yes. And then for the chicken, yung chicken is the most selling point dito kasi we cooked it very low just to the point na maluto siya ng saktong-sakto ng 65 degrees Celsius.
Para juicy pa.
Yes, very precise.
Kakaiba chef ah.
Yeah. Kasi ang Hainanese chicken, we steam it almost to the point na cook lang din siya. So, same as the white chicken, cooked very precise at 65 Celsius.
Pansin ko chef, hindi hindi tinipid yung yung chicken, ang laki. Solid siya kasi kapag humihigop ako ng sabaw, yung mga onions, sumasama. Parang may ulam ka na din. Ang ibig sabihin pala pag Chinese New Year noodles, long life, prosperity, tsaka fortune.
Yes.
So pag kumain ako nito, yayaman ako.
Oh, yes.
Hahaba pa buhay mo.
Next, ito tayo. Noodles pa din.
Baka sobrang yumaman na ako nito,
Ito. Dito naman, we season the noodles lang. Whey pa, which is a Chinese seasoning paste. And then, again, aromatic oils.
Aromatic oils.
And then beef fat.
Tsaka pansin ko, chef, iba yung iba yung noodles
yes.
niya.
So, we went for these noodles kasi maganda yung kapit nung oils, nung mga aromatics. I would also suggest, kunyari ganyan siya, na yung sticky, to pour a bit of soup to loosen the noodles.
Nung sinart mo tong business na to, madami din tumulong talaga sa'yo na family members.
I guess, yeah.
Pansin ko din kasi kada dish na pinapatikim mo sa akin, parang nakatikim na ako ng ganun. Pero may kakaibang twist dun sa dish niyo.
This is how we want to show our food. And ayaw namin na i-compare ka na lang kami sa iba.
Ang ibig sabihin pala ng cake is new life, fertility, tsaka new beginnings.
Yes.
Kaya pala kada kain mo, may itlog.
So this one's our hakaw.
Hakaw, perfect sa matakaw. Di ba?
So ito, ginagawa ng in-house naman siya. So we have our commissary. Doon ginagawa lahat ng behind the scenes ng mga food. So ito, it's shrimp hakaw.
Ang dumplings pala, meaning nito, wealth and family unity. Pag Chinese New Year. Pag hindi Chinese New Year, di ko alam.
Next is our pork shrimp siomai. So it has shiitake mushrooms also inside.
Shiitake mushroom.
Pork fat, pork shoulder. Next, we'll try the tausi spare
Tausi.
ribs. Yung marination nito, which is plum sauce, and then yung brown sauce will be our sweet soy.
Sarap.
Yes.
Perfect na perfect sa kanin. Solid to. Ito, chef. Ano yan, chef?
Ito, this is our gindara tofu. So gindara is black cod,
Is black.
a type of fish.
Sarap ng wasabi mayo niyo, chef. Hindi siya ganun kaanghang. Pero yung wasabi,
Andon.
nandun. Kanina, mga food explorers, nag-scratch ako para dun sa secret menu. Ano yung nakuha namin, chef?
Our hot pot sandwich. Here in Binondo Boys, we have our secret menu. So the secret menu is how we want to show how creative we can get still. So one example is our hot pot sandwich. For this one, gusto namin ng, if familiar ka sa birria, birria
Tacos.
Yeah. So parang ito rin yun. So it's a love child of a birria taco, banh mi, and hot pot. I would suggest nag-spread ka ng onting itong peanut aioli natin.
Ilagyan ko muna niyan,
Yes,
tapos
and
i-dip
then
ko.
dip mo, as in i-dredge mo yung yung sandwich. It'll be parang crispy, tapos very moist, very juicy. Very aromatic from the oil ng hot pot sandwich.
Sarap!
Yeah.
Kakaiba to First time yung makatigim nito, chef.
So, the secret menu is nandun yung mga unhinged ideas na hindi mo din talaga makikita sa traditional Chinese or Filipino Chinese restaurants.
Solid. Thank you, chef. Happy Chinese New Year
Thank you din.
sa'yo. At sa lahat din, sa food explorers din, Happy Chinese New Year. To a brighter future, dapat masarap yung kinakain natin, di ba? Kaya dito lang yan, sa Binondo Boys.